We're now walking in Lasal.
And we're gonna do another challenge.
Compliment challenge naman.
1 point sa lalaki, 2 points sa babae.
Bro, I really like your cap. Ingat bro.
Bun, ikaw muna.
What up, bro? I just wanna say that you look really good today, bro. Love the job.
Bro, I really like your cap, bro.
Hello, guys. I just wanna say that you guys look really good today. Yeah, you guys got good outfits, you know.
Grabe bro. 5 points ka na.
Ano na? Step up, bro.
Hello guys, are you guys in a hurry? Oh, sorry, I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys look good today. Ano na? Tatlo yun!
Grabe, 6 points.
Pinagana tayo, sobrang hirap nun.
Bro, babawi ako bro. Bro, I really like your glasses, bro. Okay. Bro, I love your suitcase.
Thank you.
Just wanna say the three of you look amazing today, guys. Ano na?
Nakatatlo siya din. Bruh.
Uy,
Ano na, pre?
ano hanggang 6 points ka na?
Sinurity lang ako kanina eh. Bro, ano kasi, like, kakakain ko lang ng lunch ngayon and like, hindi masyado mabango yung kinain ko. Wala pa ako masyadong confidence magsalita.
I got you bro, makakatulong to.
Mas fresh and confident ako thanks to Colgate. Habulin mo na kayong dalawa. Let's go!
Ito na, guys.
Hello. I just wanted to let you know that you look really good. So, yeah, no problem. Have a nice day. Hello. I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys look good today. So, okay, let's go. Panalo na ako.
Ako na? Ha?
Oh, panalo na siya.
Ha?
Oo, grabe yung confidence nito, bro.
Nagsingar lang ako.
Bro, ang bilis nga nito eh. Gulat ako, pre. So, di ka lang pala confident sa breath mo. Yan lang pala.
Congrats bro, nakabawi.
Congrats, bro. Grabe.
Comment down below anong challenge next gagawin namin. Wag na walking challenge ha, ayaw na namin.
Ayan, no.
Okay, tara, lakad na tayo.
Get your Colgate Fresh toothpaste now and get that extra confidence. All right.